Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening to everyone. Alright, today we are now doing our 7th meeting, 74 hours for the week 7, and actually for the agendas for our meeting today is to discuss about the synopsis of the video that we are going to conduct with the theme of Don't Judge a Book by its cover, the place where to conduct the video, and also the roles of us, whether as an actor or as a video editor and so on. So for the synopsis of the video that we are going to conduct, I will pass to Amir.
Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, so about the synopsis, the story is Don't Judge the Book by its cover. Okay, the plot is something like in some area in Janitor, there are some guy that cleaning the area, but then is feel thirsty. Then while someone that pass by, give her water to drink. Okay, then some rich guy has a character of rich guy pass away. Pass by. Okay. Okay, so the person by that give water to a poor guy, something like so amazing. The guy is so rich. Then the poor guy said to him, "Don't judge the book by its cover. Everyone has their own hardness in their life. Although I was a poor in my life, but I have something happiness in my house, in my life actually. But while we can see that rich guy is so rich, but he has their own problem, then need to solve." Okay. I pass back to Miza.
Thank you, Amir, for the synopsis. So for next part, I think maybe any of you can give any opinion to make the synopsis more clearer, to clarify the synopsis. Is there any of you want to give any idea?
Okay, from my point of view, we need to show about the life of the rich and the life of the poor. So if any one of you have any idea how to show that? Okay, Ridwan?
I just have an idea for the rich one, and because of we just a student, we didn't manage to get a car, big car, rich car. Maybe we just for the rich one we take a part on his office, but he's always busy on the office and make some work and that doesn't have time for family. That's only.
Okay, nice. Anyone else?
I think for the rich character we need props like a briefcase. Okay? So briefcase.
We could also
Laser.
Okay, nice.
Maybe just the aspect of the attire lah.
Yeah.
What about the poor guy?
So side suggestion, Nadia?
I think the tour guide can show how the one poor just I think just pick something like porridge.
Okay.
So we can know that
The different of status.
the status just like the poor guy just pick something simple. Eat something simple and just simple. Do you agree?
I will agree because I was the poor.
I
was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I ask something? The poor people is just alone or have a family or
Yeah. We should have for him partner.
partner?
But
A couple?
Couple maybe.
Sibling, I think
Let's say
sibling.
sibling.
Okay. Another character is the passerby. How to show that Passerby. Is he a student?
Yeah.
Oh, student. So how to show that that is a student?
I think the student should wear student attire, something like baju kurung or having a bag.
Okay.
Or if you student only need dietary.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It show anything.
Okay, nice. Okay, anything else? Okay, is it enough, isn't it?
So how are you ending the story?
Excuse me, sorry for this. I think we should have two students, not one.
Okay, student.
Okay, we will.
You consider it. So, how to end it?
Any idea to end the story?
You want?
Using a painkiller because yeah, painkiller painkiller to release the pain, right? Yeah, maybe eating too much painkiller overdose. Yeah.
Painkiller.
Yeah.
Who eat painkiller?
The rich one lah, who had stress. Yeah, like
Because of the stress.
because of their business and so on, yeah, too many problems. We ending like that lah.
And the poor family.
And the poor family happy ending, happy forever and ever.
Wow. Okay.
So, any of you want to add some points?
Or anything else? Maybe.
So, is that all? Okay. Before we proceed to the next part, which is about the roles that we are going to play, I would like to ask Hafizan, is what we planned just now same as what you have planned for the video?
Actually, more than that.
More than that.
A lot. All of you have a lot for this discussion about the idea and how to conduct the video for the next week.
So I hope what we have discussed just now can help you to trigger more ideas for the video. Okay. So next about the roles that we are going to play, I will pass to Iskandar to proceed.
Okay, thanks Iza. So, the role for this story commercialized for Don't Judge a Book by its cover, you will become a director, editor, actor or actress, and cameraman, of course, and lastly, script writer. So, for the director, I personally choose Hafizan because he's the one who give us the idea about making this commercialized video. So I will choose him to become our director for this commercialized. Okay, is it okay, Hafizan? Okay. So for the second one is the editor. For this role, I will work by myself, I think, because for our previous discussion video I have edited, and lots of you have commented a good point about my edit. So I personally chose myself for being an editor for this commercialized video. And okay, now we proceed to our main role, which is actor and actress. So in this commercialized video, okay, we have to start a little because we have to respect ourselves. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So we continue with our discussion about role for our commercialized video. So I like to choose, or I like someone's give a name for the actor of poor guy. So the poor guy, role of poor guy is just like give an explanation for a student about his life without his life. Without a rich, he can live happy forever actor and so on. So I want someone for this role. So any suggestion?
Suggest Amin or the director.
Amir. Okay, Amir.
It's okay. Something like it's easy to manage. The thing is we need to talk and wear something like clothes that's so untidy, stinky. I think. Messy clothes.
Okay. Okay. So we decide Amir will be acting as a poor guy. So the second one, the partner of Amir. So anyone like to suggest one name for it?
Me, I suggest Nadia.
Nadia, do you agree?
I agree.
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah.
okay?
Is it okay?
I think okay.
Okay.
Partner or wife
No,
or
I think the
Sister.
Sister.
The sibling.
Yes.
Okay.
Younger sister.
So he's the big brother who take care of the
Okay.
sibling. Oh, okay.
Okay. So we have to choose the poor group, the poor the poor role, the poor actor, and we continue with the rich actor. So anyone who want to suggest?
Yeah, I suggest Muhammad Ridwan.
Oh,
Full name.
Full name.
Full name ni.
Muhammad Ridwan. So Ridwan, do you agree?
Maybe can I try.
So who will be your partner?
So yeah,
Who's your partner?
I want to
Choose your
choose
partner.
your personal partner for the this rich group.
For guy or girl.
Anyone?
Ridwan.
Maybe Lisa.
Iza.
Me.
Okay.
I'll try my best and I hope this will be my first experience that I'll never forget. Becoming a rich woman.
Okay. Okay. Now we have this rich actor and the poor actor, and I just want someone who want to be a student for this, the main actor for this commercialized.
okay, I want to voluntarily to become the student.
Okay, partner.
I will try my best.
Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, we are complete choosing our actor for this commercial.
Sorry for interrupting, but I think there's another character as a student that have we missed just now.
What?
Supposedly we have two characters as a student.
Two character.
I mean two of us will be students.
Oh, we want one more person to become a student. So okay, I agree. So choose one more actor.
Okay, I suggest ID.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will become friend of partner.
Yeah, I try my best.
Okay. The easiest thing is choosing the role. Okay, we continue with our role, which is a scriptwriter. So the task for scriptwriter is writing a storytelling about this commercialized video for 2 minutes. Just for 2 minutes, not be long or shorter than that. So someone give us a name. Give a name for this.
Yeah, I think
I want to suggest Lisa for the scriptwriter.
Okay, Lisa, do you agree with Izan?
Yes, we agree. I agree.
Okay, thanks Lisa for your answer. And lastly, cameraman. Just
I know.
yeah, just the one who not selected from this, he will become a cameraman. So Patrol.
Yeah.
Okay, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
you're not selected not because of we think you do not have the talent to act, but I think that you are
You make it better.
yes.
Cameraman.
Okay. Now we are select all the roles of this for this commercialized. And before we end our discussion, I will let you know the place that we have to make our commercialized video. So for my opinion, the place will be at Bukit Expo UPM. Do you agree with that? Bukit Expo.
Yes, I agree, but at the same time, maybe we need to use bus like this.
Oh, you want to for what? For which?
Okay, as a writer, I think we need to show how the rich life.
Okay.
Maybe even though he's rich, but he's very busy. He will work. Things like that.
Okay. Just for the class.
Yes,
Yeah.
just like this.
Okay. So anyone want to suggest one place that can solve this problem?
I think as our meeting today is held at KA and we can see the facilities here, and I think maybe KA can be one of the place for the as the office for the rich character.
Okay.
I agree.
Because this place is easy to suitable for us to do our commercialize. Okay, so we agree that our commercialized video will be shoot on Get Expo, and second one at KA. So I think I have give all the point of discussion for this week. Before we close, anyone who want to add something about this, or do I have missed a part that I didn't realize?
When we
Just
do the video.
oh, okay. We have to decide today live. So which week that suitable for all of us to make this commercialized video?
Maybe in weekends.
Yeah, weekends I know. Weekends after mid-sem break. Okay.
And in the morning, because usually they are always ready in the evening to make all of that job.
Okay.
In the morning.
Evening, morning. Okay. Morning after mid-sem break. Weekends. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay.
That's one question.
Okay.
About the place, you said that they are going to shoot at Bukit Expo. How about that day we are going to shoot is raining, okay, and we have another backup space that we
Okay. Yeah, that's a good point from Hafizan. If it is raining at the morning, which place that we have to choose for our backup?
Maybe any faculty in UPM. Or they have roof.
FAK maybe can be one of the alternative because I think as we can see as we can see at the FAK there's a the house with the full roof and mesh here, and it can be one of the place for the part of the poor characters.
Okay. Now we have solved Hafizan's problem. Anything that you want to add before we close?
Because if we do at the FAK, we need to or just go for
Okay. We need to book that place.
we need to get the permission for
Okay. If this case are hard for us to making a shoot inside there, we have to choose another place. Yeah, just make us easier to shoot. If we don't have place to do indoors, we just do outdoors. We make things easier for us.
Some sort of
Okay. So any you want to add something?
So to make the confirmation, I and Fana will be the student
Okay.
for this commercial life.
Yes.
And for the main character will be Ami and Night Nadia
Okay.
as a poor family.
Yes. Probably.
And for the rich partner will be Ridwan and Hamiza.
Yes.
Okay, Hafiza will be the director. Nisa will be scriptwriter. Iskandar will be editor. And Fakul will be the cameraman. Okay, I can wait to be in front of the camera.
Okay, thanks Aini for your revise about our roles. So, Iman, want to add?
I just want to add about the props.
Okay. Okay, I forgot about that. So for props, we will discuss in WhatsApp group what things that we need to bring for our commercialize. Just simple things like plates, foods, and clothes, storage and food, and also some some what we call it? Broom for this work. Just simple thing that we can bring. Just the simple props. Okay? Okay.
So maybe each of us for the full character, you guys can list out what props that you guys need, and also for me and Ridwan will discuss on what we will need for the part of the rich.
Okay, we will discuss in WhatsApp group after this. So I close this discussion and